Guys, you know that moment when you open a 40-page PDF, scroll for maybe 10 seconds, and immediately think there is no way I'm reading all of this? We've all been there. But what if instead of sending someone a PDF, you could send them a structured, animated, whiteboard-style explainer video that presents the same information, but in a way that actually keeps people watching? My name is Daniel, and today I am going to walk you through Golpo Canvas, a YC-backed AI platform created by Stanford founders that turns ideas and documents into structured explainer videos. Instead of simply listing features, I want to show you how it performs in real situations. Because what stood out to me is its focus on clarity and structure, something most AI platforms tend to overlook. And that's exactly where it starts to make a real difference. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright folks, before we jump into the actual demos, let me explain the philosophy behind this tool, because that's what really sets it apart. Most AI video tools today focus on visuals. They try to create dramatic scenes, hyper-realistic animations, or cinematic effects. But the problem is that most businesses and creators don't actually need spectacle, they need clarity. Golpo Canvas is built around structured explanation. Mates, it takes your document or prompt and turns it into a coherent, logically organized whiteboard-style explainer. It supports over 40 languages, handles technical and complex material much better than earlier versions, and generates a fully editable script before the video is even created, which means you stay in control. Now guys, let me show you how this works. Here we are inside the Golpo interface. You can either upload a document or simply write a prompt describing what you want the video to explain. But that's not the only way to start. You can also paste in raw notes, drop in your own script, grab content directly from a website by inserting its URL, or even upload your own audio or video and let Golpo structure it into a clean explainer format. So whether you're starting with something polished or something completely messy, the platform adapts to the material you already have. From there, you can choose templates, adjust the voice tone, select the visual style, and decide whether the final video should be horizontal or vertical. You can also enable color to make the animation more dynamic, and choose whether you want to review and edit the script before the video is actually generated. Beyond that, you can customize background music, select the exact duration of the video, pick from different voice options, choose the language, and even add your own logo for branding if you're creating content for a company or a client. Alright mates, this one is huge, especially if you're a parent. Imagine your child is preparing for the SAT, and instead of hiring an expensive tutor or searching YouTube for random explanations, you could upload a screenshot of an SAT question and have it explained step by step in a structured video format. Let me show you folks. I am uploading a screenshot of a SAT math question. Now in the prompt section I write, state the question out loud, solve it step by step, explain the reasoning clearly, then state the correct answer choice out loud. Now I click generate video. And within minutes we get a clean whiteboard explainer that walks through the exact SAT problem.
The question asks, the approximate height and base diameter of a conical metal valve plug are shown. That slice makes a right triangle. One leg is the height, 3.8. The other leg is the radius, 2.9. Rounded to one decimal place, D is 4.8 centimeters. The correct answer choice is 4.8 centimeters.
As you can see folks, Golpo creates a structured explanation that reads the problem, explains every step of the reasoning process, and clearly identifies the correct answer. This alone already feels like having a patient tutor who doesn't rush. The founders of Golpo actually went to Stanford, and they've said openly that something like this would have made their SAT preparation dramatically easier. And when you think about it, folks, this isn't just a tool, it's something parents are literally gifting as an educational advantage. Instead of passive learning, students get clear, structured breakdowns whenever they need them. And for families aiming at Ivy League schools, that kind of structured support can make a real difference. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now guys, let's shift to business, because this is where things get really interesting. Every company has annual reports, and most of them are long, static, and honestly quite boring to go through. Golpo transforms that static document into an animated explanation with diagrams, structured sections, and visual storytelling. You can control the voice tone, maybe you want it professional and authoritative, choose background music, adjust visual elements, and ensure the script aligns perfectly with your messaging before generating the final video. And here's something important, mates. Golpo offers API integration, which means companies can integrate it directly into their workflow. Imagine every quarterly report automatically generating a shareable explainer video. At that point, this isn't just a video tool, it's replacing PowerPoint entirely. Now guys, if you're a creator or a marketer, this is probably the part that will make you lean a little closer to the screen. There are already YouTube videos that have crossed the 1 million view mark, created entirely with Golpo. And that tells you something important. Audiences don't necessarily care whether a human animated every frame. They care whether the content is clear and well-structured. When you really think about it, the possibilities open up very quickly. You could build an educational channel that explains complex topics in a simple way, or create finance and business breakdowns that people actually understand instead of just nodding at. And then there's the client side of things, mates. On platforms like Fiverr, whiteboard explainer videos often sell for anywhere between $800 and $1,200 per project, sometimes even more depending on complexity. If you're working with Golpo's business tier, which gives you up to 390 minutes per month, frame-by-frame editing control, and the ability to revise videos through prompt-based adjustments, even after generation, you're not just experimenting anymore, you're operating at production level. You can realistically handle multiple client projects per month without outsourcing half the work. Yes, at first glance the business tier might seem expensive, especially if you're comparing it to entry-level tools. But when you put it next to the cost of hiring a scriptwriter, an animator, a voice actor, and a video editor separately, the difference becomes very clear. Guys, if you close even 1 or 2 client deals in a month, the subscription essentially pays for itself. And if you're building your own channel or content ecosystem, the scalability becomes obvious because you're no longer constrained by how fast you can manually produce videos. You're constrained only by how fast you can think of ideas. So let's step back for a second, folks. Golpo Canvas isn't trying to compete with cinematic AI generators. It isn't trying to create Hollywood-level visuals. It can help parents support SAT preparation, replace static corporate presentations, and even empower creators to build scalable, monetizable content systems. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.